You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this brand name. If you're interested in learning more luxury and fashion brand names that some people are confused about, stay tuned. How do you say it then? Well, simply D-squared. It's like a D that has been squared. It's like a mathematical thing. D-squared is how you say it. It's easy, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.